Today I got a quick little Kdenlive tutorial. It's a useful trick that you could use for video annotations and whatnot. And I thought it was kind of cool.
It's a circle. A circle. A circle.
Now built into Kdenlive is a bunch of wipe effects. And these wipe effects were designed to do transitions from left to right, up to down, swirly swirl, in various patterns and shapes. But the one we're going to use is the circle. See, these images can also be used in composite mode and assigned animations. And that's kind of what we're going to do here. Here's what we have. First we have the video of me talking about it being a circle, which it is. Then we have a cute little sound effect right here of a pop. And then we have a backdrop, which in this case is a still image, but it could also be a video. And of course, remember, you can do this with as many layers as you like. Now, if you see here in the timeline, I put the background a little bit bigger than the pop-up bubble, because in my head, you'd be doing this with several pop-up bubbles, or a pop-up bubble over a video to make a quick comment and whatnot, some kind of cute type of video annotation. Am I saying that right? Annotation. Anyways, so the first thing you do is we can add a transition to this clip. Make sure it matches up with the video, but then we're going to select the type of transition, and we're going to go to composite. The nice thing is, when you're in composite mode, you can still use the wipe file shapes. For this one, we're using the radial, which is a circle. And at this point, the radial, so let's move to that first frame here, the opacity changes how far down the radial we go, hence changing where the circle is. For the first frame, we have to make some keyframes here to get to the animation. Oh, I got to soften up here. Wipe softness. I'm going to go 1. It's a little anti-aliasing around the edge of the circle, just for show here. So for frame number 1, I think we'll start off with 0. Probably thinking, why 0? I'll tell you why. I want to line up with the dialogue, so the bubble pops right open right when I start talking. As you can see, I can drag it across here, and new keyframe, new keyframe, new keyframe. 3 keyframes for a pop. And then we drag it all the way in, paying attention where it is on the waveform. I can just grab it right there. Keyframe. Keyframe. And keyframe. Let's change some of the properties of these keyframes. The third keyframe, because you have 0, 0, and then you want to go 50. And then the frame after that, which is the 4th frame, we'll go 40. Or maybe 45. I think 45 looked better actually now as I look at it. 45. Now we go all the way over to these ones over here, and we want to give that one the same, 45. And then you want to go back to 50. That's 40, Arthur. You can't count. And then the rest are 0. Now the fun part of adding the pop noise. So now, see, if when we select the beginning of the pop, which we should probably have the 3rd frame, because that's the biggest one, that's the pop, right? It automatically lines up our thingy here. I guess you'd call that your needle, if it's like a record, I don't know. But then you grab your pop sound, and you just boop right there. Go back to this tool again. The big one. Second from the last. Project tree. And pop. And then the finished product. Let's get out of that mode. We play the video back.
It's a circle. A circle. Circle.
I think I fucked up a little bit there. That's alright. But there you go. Here's how it works.
Peace.